Coming up with a good research topic can take time, especially if you're new to college-level research. In this video, you will learn how to use Gale in Context College to explore a wide variety of college-appropriate topics. Want to save some time? You can also find information that will be helpful for your research project using this same database. You'll learn how to save and cite the sources you find as you go. To start, let's go to the Gale in Context College database. Remember to log in with your Surf ID and password if you're off campus. Near the top of Gale in Context College, there are featured topics. As you continue to scroll through the page, there's a section called Browse Topics. There's a list of categories with a few topics within each category. Many instructors ask students to write about social issues, so let's go ahead and take a look at the topics under social issues to get more specific ideas. There are many topics listed. Let's explore more about recycling. Right at the top, there's a brief overview about the topic. This is a great way to learn more about a topic and gather keywords you might use in later searches. Use the Read More button to access the full overview. This overview is great because it provides a definition and clear examples that can help you understand more about the topic. The critical thinking questions can help you think more about how to approach this topic and also break down what will be addressed in the article. It's a good idea to at least skim over this background information so that you can get ideas for how you might develop your topic going forward. Back at the top, there are some important tools. The Cite button provides a citation for the article in a variety of citation styles. Keep in mind that while these citations are usually pretty good, you still need to double check that they are right. Use the Send To button to save this document in your Google Drive or OneDrive accounts, or just email it to yourself. Students working on your own computers sometimes prefer to download a PDF of the article. The choice is yours, but be sure to copy the citation for the articles you find so that you don't have to retrace your steps later. To the right of the article, there are More Like This. They are all about recycling more broadly, and even related subjects that might be useful to explore as you think of coming up with a more specific topic. From reading the article, it's clear that different material types have different implications for recycling. Let's take a look at metal recycling to get more information. Instead of getting an overview article this time, there are results from a variety of sources: academic journals, reference articles, news and magazine articles. The first article about scrap metal recycling looks interesting. The title links to the full article. Again, at the top, there are the same tools to cite, send, and download the article that you have found. Gale in Context College is a great tool to use to explore topics and find information that you may end up using in your final research project. Need some additional assistance using this database or thinking about topic ideas? Use the 24/7 Ask a Librarian chat tool to get feedback right away.